video, I will show you how to use the whiteboard app ShowMe. In the top right hand corner, press the Create button. In the middle of the screen, you will see the red circle, which is your Record button. Press this to record your screen and your audio. Once recording, at the bottom of the screen, you will see a timer. The top of the screen are the different functions available. The first function is your text function. Select this and you will see that your screen has stopped recording while you type your text. Don't forget to resume recording once you have typed. The next button is the eraser. This is used if you draw or demonstrate anything on your whiteboard. The button next to this allows you to add images to your whiteboard and draw on them. Please note, this also pauses the recording until you have selected the image and resized it. Select the image and pinch to fit on the screen and then select Done. Then resume recording. From here, you can now demonstrate different functions using your pen to explain things to your learners. The next button is the Undo button. This is used to undo anything that you have drawn on the screen with your pencil. The button beside this is the Eraser that allows you to clear all drawings only or clear your full screen. In the top right hand corner, you can see the arrow that allows you to add multiple screens to your whiteboard. You can keep pressing this to demonstrate on your whiteboard until you are done recording. When you are finished recording, in the top left hand corner, select Done. Once you have done this, you will have the option to discard, save and upload, or save as draft. I'm going to save and upload to ShowMe. I select Save, give my video a title, and select Next. Here it asks you to choose topics relating to your video. As this is a demo, I'm just going to choose math. I then select Done. My video is now posting to ShowMe. This might take a couple of seconds. My video is now posted, so I click on the settings wheel at the top right of my video, and at the bottom right of the screen I select Share. Here I copy the link to my video and I can then paste it into an email to share with learners.